Hello guys, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this short tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to bridge from Solana to Ethereum. It's easy to get this done. Your first step would be to open up a Web3 wallet that supports bridging. We have the Phantom wallet, we have Trust wallet as well, MetaMask, and so many other wallets that support the bridge. Now, in this video, we'll be working with the Phantom wallet. So open up your Phantom wallet and make sure you've set up this wallet properly. With your Phantom wallet set up, your next step would be to head to the swap tab at the bottom of the screen. So make sure you're here at the bottom. Now, in order to swap tokens or bridge your tokens from the Phantom network to Ethereum, make sure you have enough Solana tokens to cover the transaction fee. So click on Solana, click on buy, and you'll be able to convert some of your tokens into Sol. If you cannot, make use of your credit card to buy some Solana as well. Alright guys, so at the swap tab, how can you bridge to the Ethereum network from Solana? Now, make sure it says you pay Solana, you receive in place of USDC on the Solana network. Where we have at the top, we have the network toggle. So all you need to do is select Ethereum, select mainnet Ethereum. Now you can directly bridge your tokens from the Solana network over to Ethereum. All you need to do is enter an amount of Solana, and then you can simply click on the swap now option, and you'll be able to swap your Solana tokens into the Ethereum tokens with ease. So guys, comment down below if you have a question concerning how we can go about any of this, and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.